Um, my name is Jihyun Kim. Today I'm going to introduce to you Jerk, interactive dance partner. Right, so before we get into it, quick question. How do you define dancing? Do you have this common anxiety of being afraid to dance because we don't really associate mundane, everyday random movements with the word dance, and those random movements are pretty much what we do in real life. But why would they not be dancing? Why can't everyday movements be dance? And if so, why can't randomly generated patterns like those ellipses we made in class be an inspiration for it? So we'll take a brief look at what contact improvisation is. Basically, the main goal is to keep contact with your partner in any kind of way. It is experimental, it's spontaneous, and fluid. Because interactivity is the key when dancing this style, I wanted to subvert this genre utilizing human and machine interaction. So a very brief sketch of what I have in mind is a projection piece. So basically when a user would dance to the music being played, they would be required to do one thing, touch the screen when they're done. And from the point on, the objective of the participant would be not to break the contact, while some randomized visual pattern is created on the screen. Moving along different points of the generated pattern, and therefore creating a unique dance routine is encouraged. Right. Oh, and I forgot to mention, if the contact is broken, the user would have to start again. So I would assume that these would be located in a public space. It could be a station, it could be pop-up stores, even a very large place like city squares or bouldering gyms. And target audience would be anyone who could dance. Or it could be specifically targeted to dancers looking for a new stimuli, inspiration for a new routine. So imagine it being projected onto these kind of structures. And there's this second idea I thought of. That might be interesting to some of you. I just wanted to listen to your opinion. Ever heard of this shopping list game? So it's like 시장에 가면 game if you're Korean, but basically you would play this with a 3D model in the program. So you do a set of movements, the computer follows along, and then adds a new movement. You, on top of that, add a new, brand new movement, and it just goes on and on, you know the gist. So these are the two ideas I had in mind. Honest feedback would be really appreciated, and thank you for following along.